Is that on video?
Probably. Give me a cookie. Don't be so tiny. This dog has a lot of hair. I'll just like find something wrong. I have to report it. Okay, this dog's temp is 101.3 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yeah, okay.
Fifty-one beats in 30 seconds. The dog's heart rate is 102 beats per minute. Okay, pulse is strong and match his heart rate. Fifty-one in 30 seconds. Respiration. Let's see if we can catch a respiration on him. Is there anything I can't see? Sugar. Hi. Okay. It's taking 16 breaths per minute. Let me just listen to his lungs. Excuse me. Heart and lungs are normal. That's it, right?
Mhm.